Hi everyone, my name is Samreen Mahmood and I'm the creative director of Senses by Samreen, which is a home interior design firm. I help women renovate and redecorate their home. So today we are going to talk about how to decorate when you feel like you have no talent, the ultimate guide. Have you seen beautiful home decor ideas and wondered why my home doesn't look as trendy as it is in the magazines or Pinterest? You feel like your home looks dull and messy and there's nothing you can do about it, right? Well, every problem has a solution, and stop overthinking and get ready to know how to use cheap ways to decorate your home when you feel like you have no talent. You won't regret watching things, so stay tuned. So, the fifth is take the first step and overcome the fear of being wrong. You may have heard things like you're going to buy so many stuff and then it's going not going to match together and then you're going to waste your money and you know one thing wouldn't go with the other thing. So do you know how many people are still afraid of making mistakes? This fear makes them feel like they have no talent because of some never-ending judgments. So the first step is to avoid negative thoughts. Take the first step and start exploring, searching for different ways that can give your home a new look. The internet can give you so many boggling ideas that will just get you kick started for your home. Fourth is you need to stop comparison. Please never compare your beginning to someone else's, and it's not cool and it will only give you severe migraine. You need to start thinking out of the box, but keep a budget in mind. Make sure what you're planning to do, you have most of the resources at home with you, and rest you can buy. So just have a budget in mind and be creative with the ideas. You may not know, but comparison plays a vital role in making you feel untalented. Embrace what you have and start thinking about how you can utilize your resources. You can also invest in a few modern home decor guides, but that's not necessary. As we all know, internet is our best friend when it comes to ideas. So yeah, explore your options in that way. Third is start from a small area. Yes, taking a small step is always better. Pick a space you badly want to decorate, have some ideas around it, and start planning how you can give it a look. For instance, you choose a bedroom area to decorate. So what's next? The next step is to search for the required things in the budget you have planned actually. So you can add floor cushions, you can add artificial plants, you can add wall hangings, and some lamps. These are some of the suggestions you can actually use. It's the best way to overcome the feeling of being untalented. You'll be confident enough to take further steps without any confusion. So number two is go for classic pieces of furniture and add inexpensive decoration items to make your space stand out. So furniture is an investment you're not going to make in several years. So if you're going to buy furniture, it's going to stay for several years. So make a very conscious decision for that. So you can also add inexpensive but eye-catchy decorations to make your living space very trendy, and it will stand out in that way. If you have a very airy home, I will recommend getting a swing chair. That is also a very great idea for that home. So you're picking out furniture items that are classic, but yet they're going to make your space come out as very trendy. So number one is use DIY stuff to enhance the overall ambience of your home. Of course, not everybody can afford luxurious item branded products to decorate their home, so but you can fix this by using DIY stuff. One of the cheap ways to decorate your home, and these are actually more interesting than just getting the stuff off the shelves. So yeah, try making DIY wall hangings, wall frames, paintings and lamp shades actually. It's a fun way to upgrade your home. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do post videos about home decoration and interior design every week, so do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions and queries, stay in touch with me and just comment below. I'll be hearing you. Please like and subscribe the video. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.